Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. We are at Flash Printing Depot this evening on Saturday.
In my belly.
We don't have the kids today. They are busy, so we are here at the shop putting up some perforated vinyl paper. So this is the vinyl that you print on one side and it is black on the other side, so it's pretty much transparent inside of the window. I know you guys seen it. We don't have anything printed on it just yet. We will be getting some, but we're just putting it up so we can block some of the sun. So the sun's going down now, but if you can see, let me show you. It is white on this side. You can kind of see through it a little bit, but imagine all of the graphics printed on that. And then let's go on the other side. So it's white. And on the other side, it's pretty much transparent. Can't see the white. So this is one we're practicing. This is the full one. This is the row here. And we also do have this for sale if you need it for your shop. So it's perforated vinyl. You print this side and the black on the inside. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna leave these blank for now. So we're just gonna do these windows, leave this window, these main windows, leave this one open. I wanna get a big UVDTF Flashprintingdepot logo there, hours of operation. So we're rocking and rolling on this Saturday.
Not perfect, but
No, it's not perfect. I squeegeed this on. Now Carl is trimming it with the box cutter. Let's take a look at him doing some trimming at the top. Need a guide, you don't listen. So we tried to cut it at the exact width, but that didn't work. So we ended up just using it at the larger width, larger length, and just trimming it. And so far, you know, we got a little flaws in it, but this is our first one. I think we'll get better as we go. Not appliers, we're suppliers.
Exactly. Remember those days?
Hey, first one down. Yeah. Can't see any imperfection.
All we need is just to finish it up with the sign.
Yeah, Flash Printing Depot.
All the dealers and all the companies that we have inside. Give us some privacy.
Okay, so this is a perforated vinyl film right here. Our windows are about 92, right babe? 92? And we're cutting about 95. So we're leaving the width of it, which is, I don't know.
56, I think.
56. So I'm just gonna cut a piece, lined it up with the tile here, have this, and just do the best we can do. It doesn't need to be straight because this will be chopped off anyways. We will use the seal to keep it straight. So we're gonna give this a good cut. Just to give me a straight line. Let this go down. So, like I tell my kids, use your resources. Anything that you have available, anything you have around you, always use what you got.
Yeah, we definitely made it work. Yesterday I came up here by myself. We had to go get a ladder today, but we found that for 25 bucks. That's out there.
Market.
Facebook Market. Oh, so now I don't know if you told them that yet.
Who?
The people that are watching.
Oh, no, I have not.
Yep, so we had to, because the step stool ladder, but I'm glad that we kept the step stool ladder because that's helped you because you're a lot smaller. And then I used the Big Daddy ladder. There we go.
Oh, I can slice it through.
Just pull it and slice it.
Huh?
Just pull it and slice it. Pull it up a little bit and then slice. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh, snap. So if you guys don't know, for all the flash film out there and stuff like that, Shelly is the measurer, the cutter. She's the one that can do it all.
I can do it all.
This does not happen without me. I mean, without Shelly. This
Can I
is
get
not.
that in writing?
Well, you got it on video, and everybody who's
I need
watching.
it in writing. Send to me a text and notarized. According to Carl,
You can't change an oil.
he does everything
Can't
without
change an
me.
oil. Where's the air filter?
Where?
All right, let's go outside. Stop giving me the finger.
All right, let's go. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. We did it larger and longer, just so we're able to get those exact creases when we slice and dice. So right now, he is trimming it.
Push it all in these creases right here.
Creasing it just so we can manage it a little better. We're about to start squeegeeing and stuff. Good trim.
It's gonna want to fall into the chest.
You want me to do this bottom half?
Yeah, you can just give me.
Okay, so now this is hard to tell what we did. So we
I need you to hold it.
hold it down, creased it. Now we're cutting off this. So it's just like applying vinyl. If you guys are familiar with vinyl, that's where I started in this game. Vinyl. Okay, take that off. And then we'll just fold this up and squeegee it.
I'm on the third step.
Alright, so we are all done here for the day. Flash Printing Depot. Let's take a look how it looks. So at night, can't even tell. So this one does not have anything, and this one does. So you can tell it's pretty much the same on the inside. Let's look on the outside. Okay, excuse me, double doors. And then this is the outside. So in theory, we would have things printed on this. But for now, we're just throwing it up. We will have printed things here eventually. But we just wanted to get some practice and block our sun, because it gets very hot in there. It's going to be the end of this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you next time from Flash Printing Depot.